right, this next segment we're going to talk about why a red dot sight, meaning specifically why a red dot sight on your pistol. People have been using them for the longest time on carbines and various weapons. Now it's gained tremendous popularity on a pistol. It's been around for a while on a pistol, but miniature red dot sights like the Aimpoint Acro have been optimized for use on a handgun. And then you got to ask yourself, well, why would I want one? Well, a couple things. If you're shooting at distance, they're a real advantage. You're shooting at moving targets or you're moving, they're a real advantage. The big reason why is vision. All right, if you're an older shooter like me, or you're a person that has compromised vision and whatnot, and you have an inability to really make out the iron sights distinctly, they're a real advantage for that. Think about in the middle of the night, bumping the night, somebody kicks in your back door and you got to grab the handgun off your nightstand. You're probably not going to have your corrective lens shooting glasses on where you can really see the front sight nice. Chances are you're going to have whatever God gave you for your eyesight, and you're going to have to do the job with a red dot sight like the Aimpoint Acro. That's the real reason. Anytime your vision is compromised and your ability to see iron sights and align them in a wide variety of conditions, that's where a red dot sight shines. That's the #1 reason I use it. My vision is compromised at my age, and it's also the #1 reason I see students using it in my classes. Hey, I hope you learned something, food for thought. Have a good one.